Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the chili paneer Maggi. So let's start with the ingredients, which is the most important part for making any food item. Well, the ingredients you require are the Maggi, atta packets, habanero chilies, few green walnut chilies, and some paneer. Probably Milky Mist 250 or 500 grams, not that sure, 250 I guess. Making this dish today is Satvik, who is 10 years old with a little help from his dad. So quickly start off with the green chili stew. Then light up the stove and place the vessel on it. Later add 4 spoons of sunflower oil inside the vessel. The next step is to put the cut paneer inside. After frying, the paneer is supposed to look like this with a brownish layer on top. Put the paneer aside in a bowl and make sure you separate the oil from it. Add the chilies inside. Later add 3 cups of water. This is how it's supposed to look after adding the water. Empty the paneer packets inside and let it cook for some time. Masala that was given inside the packet. Then add the paneer inside. this is the state of Maggi after 5 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button below. See you next time.